Hi guys, John here. I did such a bad job of showing you the wiring in the furnace that I felt bad about it. Of course, I'm 82. I'm getting up there, and I've had a lot of work done on my body and heart and shoulder and backbones and knees and a bunch of other stuff. So I'm not nearly as good as I used to be, so I guess you'll just have to put up with that. Now, I did a video on dust mite killer, okay? It's a good video. I screwed up on the camera work a little bit, so I put the electrical schematic together there. I hope you can see that. I'll back that up a little bit. Okay. The 24 volts come into the furnace, powers your thermostat. Thermostat closes, powers that little relay we bought for $9 or $8. And it's hooked up to the neutral and hooked up to the 24 volt power supply, and that's the coil on the relay. Okay, it turns on this 110 volt coil, or 110 volt contactors, which feed the UV lights 110 volts. And that's the grounded neutral. So through the light, through the relay, and that's all there is to it. This 110 comes from the furnace. This 24 volt comes from the furnace thermostat. Okay, you have to buy this relay and you have to buy the lamps. Use metal clad and use something to protect the connection under the sockets, and you're in business. Just take a look at my first video and you'll be able to go through this whole thing. Okay, sorry about that again. Thanks for watching.